2020 జేఈఈ మెయిన్ ఫలితాలలో ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ విద్యార్థుల ప్రభంజనం. ఆల్ ఇండియా అన్ని కేటగిరీస్లు 18, 35, 251, 253, 582, 606, 778, 780, 812, 821, 1031, 1039, 1303, 1575, 1654, 1753, 1754, 1978 ర్యాంకులే కాక మరెన్నో ఉత్తమ ఫలితాలు సాధించిన విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్. ఈ ఫలితాలు సాధించడానికి కారణమైన లెక్చరర్లు మరియు తల్లిదండ్రులకు మా కృతజ్ఞతలు. ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్.
Structural elucidation of fructose. Structure of fructose or structural elucidation of fructose. First point is molecular formula of fructose. Molecular formula of fructose is C6H12O6. In this, carbon hydrogen ratio is 6:12. 6:12 means 1:2. Carbon hydrogen ratio is 1:2. So 1:2 means it is a aliphatic or alicyclic compound. Aliphatic or alicyclic compound. And the second one is fructose or treatment with 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. Fructose reacts with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. It is formed by hydrazone formation. Hydrazone formation, 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone formation means positive test. Formation of 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine or positive test. Positive test means this reaction indicates that presence of carbonyl group. Okay, presence of carbonyl group, CO group, presence of carbonyl group. Fructose on treatment with 2,4-DNP, presence of carbonyl group. And third one is fructose on treatment with bromine water. Bromine water, no reaction. Fructose reacts with bromine water, no reaction means this reaction indicates that absence of aldehyde. Absence of aldehyde group. Okay, absence of aldehyde group. Presence of CO group means your absence of aldehyde group with bromine water, that is nothing but keto group is present. And another one is fructose reacts with concentrated HNO3. Fructose on treatment with concentrated nitric acid HNO3. It is formed by glycolic acid CH2OH. Its name is glycolic acid plus tartaric acid COOH, OH group, hydrogen. It is known as tartaric acid formation. And one more, trihydroxyglutaric acid formation. Here OH group, hydrogen, OH group, hydrogen, OH group, hydrogen. This is trihydroxyglutaric acid formation. Trihydroxyglutaric acid formation. Fructose reacts with concentrated HNO3, glycolic acid formation, tartaric acid formation, trihydroxyglutaric acid formation. This reaction indicates that presence of ketone group in fructose molecule. So keto group is must be present in the fructose. So therefore here this reaction indicates that this reaction indicates that presence of keto group, So presence of keto group must be keto group is present in the fructose. So fructose molecular formula C6H12O6. Carbon hydrogens ratio is 1:2 means it is aliphatic or alicyclic compound. Fructose 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine positive test. This reaction indicates presence of carbonyl group. Presence of carbonyl group means it may be aldehyde or ketone. Fructose with bromine water, no reaction. No reaction means absence of aldehyde group. Fructose reacts with concentrated HNO3, formation of glycolic acid. Glycolic acid means 2 carbons acid. Tartaric acid means 4 carbons acid. And glutaric acid means 5 carbons acid. 2 carbons acid is glycolic acid, 4 carbons acid is tartaric acids, and 5 carbons acid is trihydroxyglutaric acid. So this reaction indicates that presence of a keto group. Now this keto group is present at second position or third position. So position of a keto group in fructose. Position of a keto group in fructose. Position of keto group, position of keto group in fructose, position of keto group in fructose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. If keto group is present at second position or if keto group is present at third position. Okay, keto group at second position, keto group at second position. Here keto group at third position, keto group at third position. So which one is the correct position in fructose? Right now, if this second position, keto group is present at second position, which is on treatment with concentrated HNO3 or strong oxidizing agent, here breakage of this carbon, breakage of carbon produces C1 carbon acid, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons acid formation. Here 1 carbon, C1 carbon acid, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons acid formation. This is 5 carbons acid, C5 carbons acid. If this CO group, second carbon and third carbon breakage, it is given by C2, 2 carbons acid is obtained, and similarly here 4 carbons acid is obtained. So if keto group is present at second position, C1 carbon acid, C2 carbons acid, C4 carbon acid and C5 carbons acids are obtained. Okay, keto group, ketone undergoes oxidation with strong oxidizing agent, produces more number of acids with less number of carbons. Here also more number of acids are obtained. 1 carbon acid, 2 carbons acid, 4 carbons acid, 5 carbons acid. If keto group is present at third position, here breakage of second carbon and third carbon breakage of second and third carbon. Here 2 carbons acid is obtained, C2. Next similarly here 4 carbons acid is obtained, 4 carbons acid. If third carbon, fourth carbon breakage takes place, breakage of third and fourth carbon, in this case here 3 carbons acid and also 3 carbons acid is formation. If keto group is present at third position, C2 carbon acid and C4 carbons acid and C3 carbons acid. Okay, so in fructose molecule, keto group is present at second or third position. Fructose on treatment with concentrated nitric acid, 2 carbons acid, 4 carbons acid, 5 carbons acid. 2 carbons acid, 4 carbons acid, 5 carbons acids are formed, but 3 carbons acids are not obtained. So therefore, here in fructose molecule, keto group is must be present at second position. Okay, therefore in fructose keto group is must be present at second position. Keto group is must be present at second position. Why? Because if keto group is present at second position, 2 carbons acid, 4 carbons acid, 5 carbons acids are formed. If keto group is present at third position, C3 carbons acids are not obtained on treatment with concentrated HNO3. So conclusion, in fructose molecule, keto group is present at second position only but not third position. Okay, this is the position of keto group. To fructose or treatment with acetic anhydride, fructose reacts with acetic anhydride AC2O. It is given by penta-acetyl derivative. Okay, penta-acetyl derivative. Penta-acetyl derivative means this reaction indicates that presence of 5 OH groups, 5 hydroxyl groups. Okay, this reaction indicates that presence of 5 OH groups. At normal condition, fructose does not undergoes dehydration. So at normal condition, fructose does not undergo dehydration means these 5 OH groups are present on the different carbons. Okay, so that means 5 hydroxyl groups. That means 5 hydroxyl groups present on different carbons. So 5 OH groups are present. These 5 OH groups are present on different carbon atoms. And one more, here fructose on treatment with hydrogen cyanide and followed by hydrolysis and HI by phosphorus. Fructose on treatment with hydrogen cyanide and followed by hydrolysis HI by phosphorus, CH3, CH, COOH and CH2, CH2 and CH2, CH3. Okay, name of the compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. 2-methyl hexanoic acid formation. 2-methyl hexanoic acid formation. 2-methyl hexanoic acid. Fructose reacts with hydrogen cyanide followed by hydrolysis, reduction with HI by phosphorus, 2-methyl hexanoic acid formation. So the formation of 2-methyl hexanoic acid indicates all the 6 carbons in the fructose are straight line. So this reaction indicates that all the 6 carbons are present in straight line. All the 6 carbons are present in straight line formation. Okay, so in fructose, keto group must be present at second position. Fructose on treatment with acetic anhydride pentaesteryl derivative formation means 5 OH groups are present in the fructose. At normal condition, they cannot be dehydrated, therefore 5 OH groups are present on the different carbons, and fructose reacts with hydrogen cyanide followed by hydrolysis and reduction to methyl hexanoic acid formation. 2-methyl hexanoic acid formation indicates all the 6 carbons in the fructose are in straight line. Now based on all these properties, all these reactions, write the open chain structure of glucose. So open chain structure of glucose is based on all these chemical reactions. Open chain structure of fructose is open chain structure of fructose open chain structure of fructose CH2OH group, C double bond O group and CH2OH group, 1, 2, 3 carbons, OH group, hydrogen, OH group, hydrogen and hydrogen. Okay, this is the open chain structure of fructose. So in this open chain structure, 1, 2 and 3 chiral carbons. Okay, open chain structure of fructose. In this open chain structure of fructose, 3 chiral carbons are there. So therefore, number of optically active isomers is equal to number of optically active isomers in fructose is equal to 2 to the power n. Number of optically active isomers is equal to number of optical active isomers. Number of optical active isomers is equal to 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n, where n means number of chiral carbons, where n is equal to number of chiral carbons. So number of chiral carbons only 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3 carbons. Therefore, number of optical isomers is equal to 2 power 3 because of here Number of chiral carbons are 3 only. 3 chiral carbons. So therefore, number of optically active isomers is equal to 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 8 isomers. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 isomers. Okay. So 8 optically active isomers are possible in the case of fructose. Why? Because only 3 chiral carbons are present. Okay. So this is the open chain structure of glucose. What are the main objections to open chain structure? Objections to open chain structure. Okay, objections to open chain structure of fructose. Objections to open chain structure of fructose. Objections, first one is glucose does not forms adduct. Glucose does not forms adduct with ammonia and sodium bisulfite. Okay, there is no formation of adduct with ammonia and sodium bisulfite. Second one is exhibits mutarotation. Exhibits mutarotation. On methylation forms two isomeric methyl glucosides. On methylation forms two methyl glucosides. Similarly, on acylation forms two isomeric pentaacetyl derivatives. Two isomeric pentaacetyl derivatives. It does not give Skipp's test. Okay, so all these are objections to open chain structure of fructose. Here fructose does not forms adduct with ammonia and sodium bisulfite, exhibits mutarotation. On methylation forms two isomeric methyl fructosides, and on acylation forms two isomeric pentaacetyl derivatives. Based on these objections, open chain structure of fructose is modified into cyclic hemiacetal structure. Okay, so open chain structure is modified into cyclic hemiacetal structure. Therefore, here cyclic structure of fructose. Cyclic structure of fructose. Right now here CH2OH, C double bond O, CH2OH, 1, 2, 3 carbons, OH group, hydrogen, OH group, hydrogen, hydrogen. So in this open chain structure, alcohol reacts with ketone. Alcohol plus ketone, it is formed by hemiketal formation or hemisacetol formation. So therefore, in this reaction, if this oxygen is attached to the carbonylic carbon and hydrogen is attached to the carbonylic oxygen, as a result, it gives cyclic structure of fructose. CH2OH group, here carbon, okay, now here OH group, and another one is carbon, CH2OH, 1, 2, 3 carbons. Now this carbon is here OH group and this carbon is attached to the oxygen. Then here OH group hydrogen and OH group hydrogen, here hydrogen. Okay, it is the cyclic structure of fructose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5-membered ring structure. It is the 5-membered ring structure of fructose. So that's why it is called as alpha D minus fructofuranose. 5-membered ring structures are called as furanose structures. So therefore it is a alpha CH2OH group or furanose ring structure. Furanose ring structure. If this last carbon oxygen is attached to the carbonylic carbon, hydrogen attached to oxygen, it gives 6-membered ring structure like this: CH2OH, carbon, here OH group, and CH2, here oxygen. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons, OH group, hydrogen, OH group, hydrogen, hydrogen. This is 6-membered ring structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the 6-membered ring structure is also called as pyranose structure. Okay, pyranose structure. So open chain structure of fructose exists as cyclic structure. Either it may be 5-membered ring structure or 6-membered ring structure. 5-membered ring structure is called as furanose structure. 6-membered ring structure is called as pyranose structure. Okay, so fructose is also exist in cyclic state but not in open chain structure. So your cyclic structure of fructose exists in 5-membered ring structure and 6-membered ring structure. This 5-membered ring structure and 6-membered ring structures, Haworth structure of fructose is Haworth structures of fructose. Right, cyclic structure of fructose. Cyclic structure of fructose. Cyclic structure of fructose. Cyclic structure of fructose: CH2OH group, C double bond O group, and CH2OH, OH group, hydrogen, OH group, hydrogen, and hydrogen, OH group. Now in this last carbon, oxygen and hydrogen, last carbon oxygen is condensed with carbonylic carbon and hydrogen is attached to the oxygen. This open chain structure becomes cyclic state. The cyclic structure of fructose, CH2OH group, this carbonylic oxygen. Cyclic structure of fructose, this is open chain structure of fructose. In this open chain structure, last carbon oxygen condensed with carbonylic carbon, hydrogen attached to the oxygen. As a result, this open chain structure becomes cyclic state. In this cyclic state, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the 6-membered cyclic structure. It is a 6-membered ring structure. The 6-membered ring structure is also called as alpha D minus fructopyranose. Alpha D minus fructopyranose. Okay, alpha D minus fructopyranose. Why? Because at first carbon OH group is right side. This is alpha D minus fructopyranose. Similarly, this C double bond O group is oriented at left side. This OH group is oriented at left side. So here CH2OH group and OH group CH2OH, 1, 2, 3 carbons. Then here the CH2 group is attached to the oxygen. It gives hydrogen, OH group, hydrogen, OH group, OH group and hydrogen. Okay, this is 6-membered ring structure, but at first carbon OH group is left side. So it is also a 6-membered ring structure. Now this is at first carbon OH group is left side, hence it is called as beta D minus fructopyranose. Beta D minus fructopyranose. So this is beta D minus fructopyranose. It is alpha D minus fructopyranose. Now these cyclic structures are explains the objections to open chain structure. Okay, in this cyclic structure, aldehyde group, ketonic group is absent, aldehyde group is absent. That's why it does not form adduct with ammonia and sodium bisulfite. So first objection, does not form adduct with ammonia and sodium bisulfite because of absence of aldehyde group and ketonic group. Okay, and similarly, second one is cyclic structure of fructose exhibits mutarotation. Cyclic structure of fructose exhibits mutarotation. Open chain structure of fructose does not exhibit mutarotation. And third one, on methylation. On methylation forms two isomeric methyl glucosides, alpha methyl glucoside and beta methyl glucosides. Because of two isomers are possible, therefore on methylation two isomeric methyl glucosides are produced with methyl alcohol and followed by HCl. Similarly, on acylation two isomeric pentaacetyl derivatives are obtained with acetic anhydride, alpha and beta. So therefore, always here fructose is exist in the cyclic state but not in open chain structure. So objections to open chain structure are clarified or explained by cyclic structure. It does not forms adduct with ammonia and sodium bisulfite because of free ketonic group or aldehyde group is absent. And cyclic structure of fructose exhibits mutarotation. On methylation, it forms two isomeric methyl group fructosides like alpha and beta. On acylation, it is also forms two pentaester derivatives like alpha and beta. Okay, so these are the objections to open chain structure. All these objections are explained by cyclic structure of fructose. Now, in this cyclic structure, alpha D minus fructopyranose and beta D minus fructopyranose Haworth structures and also chair conformations. Alpha D minus fructopyranose. This alpha D minus fructopyranose Haworth structure is Haworth structure of alpha D minus fructopyranose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here 6 membered ring structure like this. It is the 6 membered structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 membered ring. At first carbon OH group is right side. So right side groups are below and left side groups are above. Right side groups below, left side groups above. So at first carbon OH group is right side, therefore below, and CH2OH group is above. At second carbon hydrogen below, OH group above. At third carbon OH group below, hydrogen above. At fourth carbon OH group is below, hydrogen above. Next here at fifth position both are hydrogens, hydrogen and hydrogen. Okay, this is the Haworth structure of alpha D minus fructopyranose, alpha D minus fructopyranose. Similarly, beta structure carbon here OH group and CH2OH group. This is beta D minus fructopyranose. CH2 group is condensed with the carbon 1, 2, 3 chiral carbons, hydrogen and OH group, here OH group, hydrogen, hydrogen and OH group. At first carbon OH group is left side, so this is beta. Its ring size is 4, 5, 6 membered ring size. Now for this beta D minus fructopyranose, beta D minus fructopyranose, Haworth conformation is Haworth conformation 6 membered ring structure, oxygen like this, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. At first carbon CH2OH is below, CH2OH group below and OH group above. At second carbon hydrogen is below, OH group above. At third position OH group is below, hydrogen is above. At fourth position OH group below and hydrogen above. At fifth position both are hydrogens. Okay, now what is the difference between alpha and beta? At alpha, first carbon OH group is above in beta case. In alpha case, at first carbon OH group is below. Okay, these are the differences between alpha D minus fructopyranose and alpha D minus fructopyranose Haworth structure, beta D minus fructopyranose its Haworth structure. So both are differentiated by a first carbon OH group. So first carbon OH group is oriented at right side, alpha. If it is oriented at left side, beta. Okay, these are the cyclic structures of fructose.
ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.